Acer platanoides, the Norway Maple. It's a grove of 4 of them here. How many trees makes a grove? See, very typical bark of Acer platanoides. See my hand for scale. Small plates, never very big. It's smooth when it's younger, sort of like what you see on the roots here. And as it gets older, it develops these fissures. Now the flowers, this particular variety is maybe Crimson King or something. There's red leaf varieties. That's what this is. Reddish purple. Flowers are actually pretty showy, especially in contrast to the leaves. Buds are opposite, like all maples. These are the bud scales that covered the winter buds. They're still remaining. They're sort of peeled back. Acer platanoides, the Norway maple, is a very common tree. It's commonly planted as a street tree. It's considered invasive in many places because seedlings from it come up everywhere and invade the local woodlands. The leaf looks a lot like the sugar maple. The easiest way to tell them apart is to snap off a petiole, that's the stalk that holds the leaf, and wait a few moments. White milky sap will exude from the cut end, and that will denote that it's a Norway maple. Norway is a bit of a misleading term because it's actually common and native throughout all of Europe. It doesn't just come from Norway. It's a shade tree. It makes a very dense shade, and it has shallow surface roots, and it's almost impossible to grow other plants underneath one. The seeds, or samaras, of the Norway maple are held in a horizontal, linear attachment with only a very slight angle as compared to the red maple and the sugar maple, which are formed like an A shape, more of an acute angle to themselves. Also, the seed end is rather flattened, whereas the other two have a rounded, pronounced area where the seed is. When we were kids, we used to break these apart and peel open the seed end and stick it on our nose. You could wear a maple nose. Norway maple works best for this.